Welcome back. An update on the 59 Chevy Apache build. We need to build a cab dolly. So that's what we'll be doing today. So let's get started. Today we'll be building a cab dolly for the 59 Chevy Apache. Let's get started. Here we have the basis of the frame cut. The height of the cab dolly will be 24 inches, which will be 2 feet. These are 20 inches apart. The wheelbase is 4 inches, which will give me 24. And this will act as my support rails. The dolly will be 6 by 5. 6'6" by 5 feet. So these are my 6'6" pieces, and these are my 5 feet pieces. So I'll actually nail everything together first, then come back and secure it with longer screws, and I'll put another rail out of the scrap wood around the bottom. So that's where we are so far. we have it. Made it a little sturdier than possibly need to be, but you can use it to put truck bodies, truck cabs, or anything you need to put on it. It rolls pretty easy. As you can see. So you can move it around very easy. And the size is 5 feet wide by 81 inches. So now to actually take it up to where the cab is and put the cab on it. All right, that's an update for the 59 Chevy Apache rebuild. Talk to you later. Here are a few parts of the 59 Chevy rebuild. We got left and right doors. We got the A-frame metal, which we'll be using some of to cut in certain spots. We may use patches, which you see here. And we have the upper and lower door hinges here. And that's what we'll be taking up to the cab, along with the cab dolly. So that's the way we'll actually set the whole cab up on the table, and we'll use the different blocks to run under the rail to lift it up, just in case we need to lift it up off the table to get it set up in order to do cab corners or anything that needs the very bottom. But right now we're in the process of cutting out the floor panel. So once I get up there, I'll take some video and shots of it, and that way we can kind of get an idea of where we are and where we're starting from. Talk to you later.